Hello everyone and welcome back to the Rent to Retirement Market Highlight Series. I'm Sam Hack and I'll be your tour guide today for the city of Detroit, Michigan. If you haven't already seen them, go back and watch some of our other market highlight videos to grow your knowledge of all kinds of markets and then compare and contrast them to see which one might best fit your investing goals and needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell below to keep up to date with our videos. Enjoy our overview of Detroit, Michigan. The largest city in the state of Michigan with a metro area population of 4.3 million, Detroit is probably best known as the city where Henry Ford pioneered the first assembly lines used to manufacture automobiles. Although the Motor City was hit hard by the 2008 recession, things are looking way up for the real estate market, in part because of the following three factors. Number one, two billionaire families have committed to turning around the blighted city and appear to have succeeded. The downtown area has totally been revitalized and many of the dilapidated foreclosures have been torn down. Dan Gilbert is one of these billionaire figures who made his money through the mortgage business through Quicken Loans. Starting in 2010, he purchased and renovated dozens of properties downtown and moved his own employees into many of them, prompting Chrysler, Microsoft, Twitter, and other companies to follow. Detroit is home to the big three major automotive companies in the US and Canada. These include General Motors, Ford Motor Company, and Chrysler, and the headquarters and major corporate offices of 100 Fortune 500 companies, including Penske Automotive, Quicken Loans, Kellogg, Whirlpool, and Walmart. Third, prices are still extremely affordable in this area. It's still possible to purchase a fully renovated turnkey home in Detroit for around $80,000 and as low as $50,000 in some cases. We can't forget Detroit is also home to Wayne State University, the Detroit Lions football team, the Detroit Pistons, Detroit Red Wings, and the Detroit Tigers. Let's get right into the brass tacks about Detroit. There are both single-family and multifamily investment properties in Detroit with a large range in neighborhood quality. However, we're going to focus on the A and B type areas. Next, our median household income in Detroit is $75,000. Detroit's average price range for single-family homes is between $80,000 to $180,000, and multifamily prices between $120,000 and $500,000, giving us a median home price of $207,000 and a very favorable median rent of $1,462 a month. Detroit is another one of our meat and potatoes Midwestern markets that provides awesome cash flow for investors. Although we'll see steady growth instead of skyrocketing appreciation, it's a market that can be counted on for an investment strategy that wants to replace active income with passive income as quickly as possible. This is a market to invest if you want to quit your job sooner than later. Cash flow is king and appreciation is icing on the cake. Check out how our team can help you create a successful investment strategy at renttoretirement.com. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell below. For more information, please see the contact info at the end of the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you on the next one.